I'm all set to explore the beaches and other places of Kanyakumari. And yeah, short and t-shirt. What else you require on the beach? So I'm going and going to explore things. आपको भी दिखाते हैं, खुद भी देखते हैं. चलिए. Important thing that helmet is very much mandatory everywhere at tourist destination. So local people, they will not wear helmet. So don't go by them. So if they are not wearing, let them do whatever they want to do. But because police especially take care of tourists very well, so they will catch you and they will slap a big fine on you, because you are a tourist and you are source of income for them. So do not give that opportunity to these cops. So the hotel manager is suggesting that I should walk only. It's around half a mile or 500 meters from where I'm staying. So there is a beach, there is other activities. This Vivekananda statue is also there. So I'm going by walking, and then at 6 p.m. sunset is going to happen. So that I need to capture, and I'll come back here again. I'll take my bike and I'll go to see the sunset. So meanwhile, if I'll get some opportunity to take a dip in the sea, that I'll do. So as you can see, it's not very far from my hotel. I have hardly walked for 5 minutes and I can see the beach. So yeah, it's not very far. I'm going to reach there in another 5 minutes maximum. I can see big sea from here. So on the street you can see all these shops while going towards the sea. और यहाँ ये ड्राई फ्रूट शॉप है, इसके ऊपर मैंने जो पता करा है ये, तो इस पे काजू था 600 रुपये किलो. तो यहाँ मेरे को लगा बस के काजू सस्ता है, और ये बाकी सब चीज़ें यही हैं कि अपना नॉर्मल शॉर्ट्स वगैरह अगर some luggage and all if you want to purchase. Yeah. So this is on the way towards the temple. This is the way to Sunrise Point, a market place probably. From there you need to go to Sunrise Point, which will come tomorrow again. ऐसा भी है फेमस, ये नहीं देखा होगा आपने.
பாடுபட உழைக்கலாம் ஜரமெல்லாம் இருக்கு. அந்த ஜரம் வருது, ஆனால் பயன்படுத்த தெரியலையே. கை ஓட்ட தெரியுது, நல்லா சம்பாதிக்க தான் செய்வீங்க, ஆனால் பயன்படுத்த मानिएगा.
सो ये बहुत जगहों पे देखने को अब नहीं मिलता है, पुरानी पिक्चरों में ज़रूर देखने को मिलता था. हाँ जी, तो वी आर अबाउट टू एंटर दिस एरिया. So finally we have reached this place. So far I have seen in pictures only, photographs and videos. So now I am witnessing myself. So behind me is the statue of Thiruvallur, who was a prominent scholar of this region, and there is a temple and Vivekananda Memorial also. These all are devotees who are taking a dip in the water behind the temple. This place is, and cops are also standing here just to make sure that कोई ज़्यादा गहरे पानी में ना चला जाए, क्योंकि सेफ नहीं होगा ना, भीड़ बहुत है। पानी के अंदर पैर डाल के एक रिचुअल तो पूरा कर लें कि हमने भी पानी में पैर रखे थे, अदरवाइज़ ऐसे ही चले जाएंगे। यहाँ सेफ बीच अभी तक तो पता नहीं लगा है भी कि नहीं। तकरीबन 1 घंटे की मेहनत के बाद ये टाइम लैप्स कैप्चर करा है, और इसी वजह से कुछ और वीडियो में बना नहीं पाया क्योंकि मेरा कैमरा एंगेज था। सो सनसेट हो चुका है और अब हम जा रहे हैं अपने होटल की तरफ, और उसके बाद रात में देखेंगे जो संगम बोलते हैं जिसको, उस पॉइंट को। बट लेकिन आप इतने ये टाइम लैप्स के ज़रा मज़े लीजिए और कमेंट करके बताइए कैसा लगा आपको।
Our Lady of Ransom Church is more than 100-year old church. The foundation of this church has been laid on 31st May 1900 at Kanyakumari. It is there in the history that the tombstone underneath at Kumari Muttom near Kanyakumari contains evidence to show that Catholics have been living there for many centuries. The tombstone dated 1496 contains the edict of the local ruler granting tax exemption to the residents of Kumari Mutton and authorizing a levy from the fishermen there. The aggregated income thus generated had to be used to keep the light of the church burning. The surrounding of this beautiful church has been so beautifully crafted to show the story of crucifixion of Jesus Christ. It is so beautifully presented in the form of picture and sculptures that you will understand the entire process which has happened centuries back. Don't forget to visit this amazing and old architecture, and you will feel some amazing power when you will worship, pray, or at least witness this amazing church here. So I would suggest it's a must visit place in Kanyakumari.